Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Kong if he was in the Sonic universe. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sonic King Kong crossover, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring this up to about here. Next, I'm going to go down, and I'm going to bring this line up here for the other eye. I'm going to bring this out a little bit, and let's curve it down. We can draw a line right here for part of the eyebrow. Next, right here, we're going to make a little curved line that kind of comes in for the nose, and we'll do a little line over here. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down. Then we're going to go up and around like this. I'm going to curve a line here, and then we're going to curve this down. Then we're going to bring this line down and then up to here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and bring it back around for the mouth. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come over. We're going to put a little bump for a tooth and then bring this line here. Next, let's curve this line down, and then let's bring this line over here. We'll make a little line that goes up and down and kind of color in most of it. And then we'll make a tall, skinny oval shape here, and then we will color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. I'm going to make two little pointed lines in here for the nose. Then for the hair, I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to make a point here, and then one point up here, and I'm going to bring this back down for the head. I'm going to curve this line over and down. Then I'm going to bring this line out. I'm going to come down and into here. I'm going to curve this line up and down, and then bring this line up. I'll make a couple little lines in there for some detail. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down and up, and then we're going to make it curve to here. Then I'm going to make a little point here and a point here, kind of like that beard that Kong would have. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then over to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come out, and I'm going to bring this back for a leg. I'm going to make another line here, and then a line that's going to curve over here and come to here. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve this around and bring it up. Then I'm going to bring this line up for the body. Now, let's work on his shoes. So let's just make a curved line here. Then we'll make a curve here and a curve here. And then a curve around here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And then I'm going to bring this up to here. We'll make another line that just curves right around, just for some detail on the bottom. I'll make a line here, and then a line here. Over here, we're going to make that curve. We'll make a curve here and a curve here, and then a curve here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, I'm going to bring it up, and then a curve here. Let's do a line here. And then we'll do 1 and then 2 lines right there. Now let's work on his hand up here. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to start by making a line that's just going to come down. We're going to go over and then up. Make another line that's going to go over and up. And then one more here. It's going to go over and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring this down. Then we're going to bring this up and down. And then we're going to make a little line right here. Next, I'm going to curve this around to here for the thumb. Then we're going to bring a line here and bring a line right here. Next, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and another line here. We'll draw a little curve. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come up, over, and then back around. We're going to make a big oval shape for the thumb. Then I'm going to make a line right here, and I'm going to bring it back. Do 1 here, and then 1 right here. Next, let's go ahead and make a line that's going to come up. We're going to put a little point, and we're going to bring it down. We're going to bring this line down, make 2 bumps on it, and then bring it up. Right here, let's make a line that comes out and in, out and in, out and in, and then 1 more out and in. Then let's do a couple little points here for kind of like his little Godzilla spike axe. Make a couple lines here, just right across it. Then we can kind of redraw that same shape right in here. We'll do that a couple times just for some detail. Then, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up for some detail on his stomach. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Sonic King Kong crossover. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.